from 90 to 103. I post in the public group. Follow this channel, guys. Yeah. What?
They're already on live. Okay. Hold on. Hello guys, hello. How are you guys? Chatting my phone. Hey, no one chatting Hi guys. Hello. Oh, it's under comments. Okay. Hi Naima. Hi Johan. Sorry, I was looking at the private chat instead of comments. Hello Tim. Hello Awadesh. How's your trade going, guys, for today? Are you all frustrated with the market or are you all happy with the market? Hey, how's your trade going, guys? How's the past 2 days? I think CPI was good, right? CPI, we got it like spot on. Yesterday was a bit weird. It did a compression upwards, and then suddenly the data was affected because of the New York Manufacturing Index. But weird data came out. It's totally unexpected. But we got it right towards the last minute, guys. Yeah, we just saw the manipulation towards the last minute. No trades yet today, too slow. Eat murku. Yeah, I saw a murku. I was eating that earlier. Finishing up my mom's murku. Right, guys. We will do the analysis shortly. Let more people to tune in. I'm gonna go TikTok live soon. Just waiting for DY to enter. Right. So, in the meantime, where are you guys looking to trade, guys, today? What are you all waiting for? Are you all waiting for a higher price from gold, or are you waiting for some form of news time to be over, or are you waiting to look for buys instead of sells? Okay, no response. Looks like
That's all for today.
we are done for the day,
We're
guys.
done for today.
I just going to take TikTok live, huh? Hello.
Yo,
Diva in the house.
yeah, what's up? Ah, are we waiting for sell? Should we wait for sell? What's up?
Hello, guys. Hello, TikTokers.
Hey, yo, hi YouTubers, hi TikTokers.
Guys, right now we are in YouTube live. Yeah, I just mentioned a while like 5 viewers.
Liquidity rate. That was a painful thing, lah. They did a QMM, and then come down in a QM.
Yeah.
In a QM, it did a QM. Man. Brilliant. Team has his own team. Come on, give us some signal. Okay, so let's see. For M15 trend line, I think you all remember the technique, right? So once it break, what it does, it goes down. So okay, it broke the trend line. It's breaking the support. So I think it's going to hunt for the lower support, which is what 63. 63 is the reaction area. So let's see what happens in 63. Okay.
Yeah. For now, guys, the trend line, the temporary trend line is actually broken together with the earlier support that pushed the price higher. So once these two is actually broken, it's more like a confirmation that you can take a sell. But this happened earlier, okay? With your SL is above the highest level, right? So right now the price is going down. It's already about 20 pips, okay, 20 pips around there. But what we are looking at right now is probably gold is going to find a nearest demand earlier and then do what it wants to do, right? But today, guys, we have our news data, right? So we have the initial jobless claims. Yeah, so we have the jobless claims, and we also have the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index, right? So that two news is to be watched for tonight's major movement. So for now, just want to share our technical analysis with you guys. Wait, let me see the. My idea is to buy. Can
Now let's
tonight
see.
tonight news. I'm not sure. It may just manipulate like yesterday, right? So we need to actually see, because like if it's one news, right, then the direction is clear. Like CPI is just one news. Everything was strong, for, weak for the USD. Is it weak? It's considered strong lah, because the interest rate will not be increased. Yeah, so it's weak for USD, right? So that's why gold went up, right? Then after that, what happened was PPI was expected to follow CPI. It did follow, but the problem was the New York Manufacturing Index showed a surprise increase in data, right? So that's why it fell down.
Is forex your main income? Yep, it's been a while. It is. It has been. Guys, it's Maghrib time. So as usual, you guys who have been following us, you know that we give way to our Muslim brothers and sisters for prayers. So let's do that. Let's let Maghrib prayers pass by and have a peaceful time. Okay. Be right back. The so Yo, we're back. Okay, so hope you guys had a peaceful time for those who went for prayer. Okay, what's this? What's the daily target monthly? Thanks for tips and sharing. What's the daily target? Mostly daily target. About a few hundred USD, couple of hundreds. That's enough. Once in a while, we will hit the thousands on the good days, and on a normal day, tough market day, few hundreds, enough, more than enough. Sometimes we won't even get that 100 even, so we have to accept that it's a really tough day, and we have to find for the next day. So it happens, yeah.
Yeah, so yesterday, I just want to recap what happened yesterday, lah, guys. Okay, so for those of you who are trading gold, yesterday a lot of traders were anticipating a spike, continuation of a spike upwards, right? So what happened was they were right, but they were wrong. Okay, So they were right because the PPI did show weak data, and retail sales also showed somehow of a weak data. But what happened was there was this New York Manufacturing Index data. Although it was medium impact, the results shocked the, the investors, right? So it was anticipated to be weak, very weak. But what happened was it was showing an overpowering data, right? Overpowering. That's the keyword, overpowering data. So because of that, the market spiked up just for a while, collected liquidity, and then eventually just chose to go down because they saw that data, right? So that is the problem with mixed news days. Okay, that is the problem. So if let's say yesterday there were no New York Manufacturing Index, then definitely gold would have spiked up all the way towards 80. Okay, but what happened was that data actually stopped the market, and what the market decided to do is to go down um, to make use of that data, collect all the imbalances that are left from the previous day rally. So today is the same thing. Today we have initial jobless claims, and we also have Philadelphia Manufacturing Index. So if you are trading gold today, you need to be aware that this mixed data could cause a double movement in the market. There could be a spike up to go down, there could be a spike down to go up. So all those things can happen depending on, obviously the main focus will be jobless claims, but investors will be now closely looking at Philadelphia index since yesterday the New York index showed a strong growth. Okay, the manufacturing index showed strong growth, right? So M15 trendline method, which resistance to break on the left? Nibek,
Anyway, we taught you that, right, Anyway? Come on.
you mean the resistance? You mean like right now?
Support, you mean? Which support
Yeah,
you should
he's
break?
talking about this. Which one to break?
Oh,
This one not so clear yet, Nivek. There's nothing. There's no resistance to break yet. Okay, so you cannot be using this method for now. You gotta wait like until a clear resistance is formed, unless this resistance is counted lah, right? So there was a drop based drop, right? So if you want it to turn bullish again, the price has to close above this base here that has been formed, right? So if the price forms above this base, then probably we can see a continuation upwards towards the zone, right?
guys, if you want to see the charts, you can see it on our YouTube live right now, which is ongoing. Okay, so the YouTube live link is in the public Telegram group of ours, which you can find it in the Telegram bio or TikTok bio right now. Sorry, you click on the TikTok bio, and you can find the Telegram group. So there we will be streaming. Because as you know, we can't stream charts in TikTok. I don't know still how many. I mean, how some of them are doing it, but we can't. Like, we'll get permanent ban. Okay. So let's go. All right. So today we have a possibility of both up and down because mainly in the name of chart patterns, we do see QM buy. We also see QM sell in H1, H4, and in weekly we see a supply pattern forming with a pullback right now happening. So there are many things both supporting the buy and the sell. So it's really a confusing pattern. If you can see the QM here is clear, but if you see in the bigger pattern, it's like it's forming sort of like a something like a reversal pattern to go up. Okay, so both things are showing. All right, so it's I guess it's a point of view of the trader himself. Like, what is your point of view? What do you think is going to happen first before the other? So maybe the buy and sell are both right, and probably the buy will happen first and then the sell happens later, or the sell happens first and the buy happens later. So that could be it. All right. So like yesterday, the sell took place first, and then the buy continued. So if you see, it's retesting now, challenging back the support and the shoulder level from where it dropped. All right. So that's what's happening. So I think it again depends on the point of view or your bias as a trader from what you see. It's better for you to have a general point of view instead of a bias, so that you are not leaning more towards bias and ignore the signs that the charts are showing. That's what I can say lah. All right, for now. Okay. We hunt them both today. Okay. Okay, team. Okay, okay. Team, you missed yesterday, sir. Uh, I even told that it's gonna go to 60, 76, and then come down. Okay, lah. Whoever made it, good job, guys. Good job, good job. Whoever made it.
Right. So basically, today's analysis is simple yet difficult. Right.
Mm.
So just be careful, guys. Careful in the market. What I personally think is it may do another rally upwards towards news time. So that's like about 9:30, right? That's about 2 hours 30 minutes to come, right? So right now it's like stuck here. It's reacting to the previous shoulder, QM shoulder, early reaction. So it could just go up here later if it wants to play around at this level, 70, 67, 69, all those levels.
Yep.
And then depending on what news comes out, the price will probably choose to react. But eventually, what would be healthy in the market is a drop first, right, to cover the imbalances that has been created by the market, and then only go up. All right. So it depends what the market wants to do. So we also need to remember that on 17 November, which is tomorrow, okay, is the last day before a government shutdown possibility. So that sentiment could also add on later on after the news is out. So let's say if USD turns out to be strong, you will also see that the government sentiment, shutdown sentiment, would also come into the picture, and maybe that will aid USD to become even stronger because the treasury yields will start spiking up ahead of tomorrow, right? They will be prepared for the worst first, okay? So that could actually push gold down all the way, right? So this is what we are anticipating. Um, if there are any surprise in the data, then that could mean, and let's say USD is weak, then we will see probably price shooting up again towards 80. All right. So you need to have your zones right. You need to maintain your money management, have a cut loss strategy, and have a bigger direction bias in your head. Right. Manual, yes, yes, we do teach trading. All
Yep,
right.
yep. We do have our teaching group. We guide them. First, we will have webinars like four parts, five part series webinars, and then we will guide them and we will try our best to give our direction daily and see what they think as well. So the way we guide is to try our best to mold you to be an independent trader instead of feeding you signals. So it's not a heavily signal reliant group. It's more of a learning group, and you explore the things that we have taught and use it to your advantage to be a trader. So that's how we guide in the group, lah, right? And what is it here?
QM shoulder.
What is the QM shoulder? What is the QM shoulder? How to explain this, huh?
Peter Bucker. I don't know how you pronounce your name, but yeah, Peter. Basically, QM is a Quasimodo pattern, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. QM stands for Quasimodo.
It's a form of higher high and lower low, which is what Logan is gonna share right now. So because pay attention for those who don't know how to use QM.
Yeah. So basically, QM is a reversal pattern on the charts. Okay, so people will use this as a guide to tell that, hey, the market is probably going to make a U-turn first from wherever it is. Okay, so usually what happens is on a normal market, people actually wait for a market structure shift, which means when the price is moving on an uptrend, okay, when the price is moving on an uptrend, people would like to wait for a lower low to be formed, because if an uptrend is being formed, it'll it will always create a new high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So when does reversal happen? Reversal happen when the market fails to create a new high, but instead it creates a new low. So this is not allowed to happen in an uptrend usually, right? So if this happens, that tells you that the sellers has overpowered the buyers. right? Overpowered the buyers. So this is what we call as a market structure shift, which means from an uptrend, it's probably going to turn to a downtrend. So what needs to happen in a downtrend? In a downtrend, guys, what needs to happen is market will normally create a low, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So in other words, it usually will create a lower high and then it will go to a lower low. So where people predict the lower high to be is usually at the previous resistance which has been broken out.
Yep.
Right, this whole area, right? So this whole area is where people or investors will take their chance to take a sell because they already know that the market is going on a different direction. So they will not wait all the way to sell on top here. They will not wait. Usually they will not wait. Okay. In some cases they do, depending on the market sentiment. But if there is a strong sentiment, the market will pull back all the way to the shoulder to make a decision. Right. So once the price is here, people will not let it break again above the previous resistance and they'll start pushing the market from here. So that's where the downtrend begins, right? So this area here is what we call as the shoulder level.
Yep.
Shoulder, right? So why we call it QM? Because sometimes the price does not make a clear break. It stops exactly at the support. So if it doesn't break exactly at the support, we do not know whether a market structure shift has happened, right? So if you do not know, you cannot say it's going to go down, right? So this is usually called the head and shoulders pattern. So only when the next break happens below this level, we know that the market is going to shift. But in some cases, it straight away breaks like this. So it's telling you, yes, I have created a low. I am going to go on a downtrend.
Yeah.
Right? So that's what's happening here. Okay. So the market was going on an uptrend, high, low, higher, higher low, higher high. Now it has created a new low, right? So it's created a new low. It was not supposed to do this, but it did. This is on a 4-hour time frame. So this is what we call as a QM pattern. So most likely price is pulling back towards the shoulder area, looking for supply, waiting for news data, and then react from there for whatever data comes up, right? But this is, like I said, it's like an early indication, but not definite, which means anything can change later on. It's just a mechanism for you to predict where the right areas to look for sales. Don't sell too early. Wait for probably the shoulder area. It's safer around there, all those things. Eddie, QM is similar to HNS. It is similar except that QM breaks the low, the previous low first, right? It breaks the neckline first. So if it immediately breaks the neckline and closes below, that's called a QM. But it's similar because it still reflects the HNS pattern. So HNS, it's a bit, you need a bit more patience to wait for the neckline to be broken eventually. So that's the only difference. Like while HNS is being formed, right, you do not know whether the market is saying it wants to go down yet, right, until the neckline is broken. QM is good because it tells you it wants to go early, right? So that's the idea, guys. That's the idea. Ling, I think gold is undecided for now, okay, because it is showing multiple things at different time frames, okay. But if you look from smaller time frame all the way to H4, right, it is showing a bearish structure for now, just for now, okay, because yesterday's data came out and it created a reversal structure on the charts, right. So that shows that because the spike was a lot since CPI, right? It may want to go down and do some rebalancing on the charts, go and collect all the imbalances, then only maybe it will eventually go up or down, right? So for now, it is basically in the middle. Okay, it's in the middle. It's not going above 2000. It doesn't want to go below 1800. So 1900 is basically the middle, right? So if you ask me, you got to check the direction on a different time frame basis, right? See, maybe on a lower time frame it is turning into bearish. On a higher time frame overall, it is stuck in the middle, all right? So, and it's coming towards year end, so probably price is going to do some major sideways movement up and down within 1900. Okay, not below 1900, not above 1900, unless there are any specific events like war or government shutdown that happens, then price could be entirely bullish or entirely bearish. I'm not holding any position so far. Okay, I'm just waiting.
Let's eat. Is that a high win rate strategy? QM. Yeah,
QM is like this.
is.
Okay, for example, this is also considered as a QM, guys. Okay, so you see price has been going on a downtrend. Let's see on M15 chart. It's not so clear, but yeah, something like this. Okay, it's moving on a downtrend. Okay, and then it created a new low, and then finally it created a new high immediately. Right, it broke all the resistances on the left and created a new high.
Shoulder.
Yeah, so there could be like it depends whether it wants to go low enough to collect or not. Sometimes the sentiment is too strong, it doesn't. Okay, so it just pulls back a little bit and then continues going up, right? So where does it pull back all the way? Ideally it's pulling back to the neckline or the shoulder area. Okay, so this is a neckline, this is a previous support area that has been broken out, so it could pull back to any one of these areas and then go up. Okay, but the idea of QM, guys, is to know that a reversal is happening, right? Which means you got to start changing your strategy to look for buys instead of looking for sells. Okay, so on the other hand, right now, since we have a QM pattern formed here, we, as the price is pulling back up, our idea is to strategize and look for sells with proper risk management rather than starting to look for buys. All right, so that is the idea. Like for example, price can even just drop all the way from here, right? It touched the shoulder area, it doesn't necessarily need to go up, it can just drop all the way from here. Okay, so the idea here is to see what you want to do. Don't buy too at a risky place. So that's the idea, guys. Yeah, this was the area we were supposed to look for buy, but it was so torturous. It's not showing the spike on trading view, but if you look at some of the brokers, right, the price actually did a spike all the way to 1918 here. Okay, it's even below this chart, somewhere somewhere here, right? So some of the charts did show a spike all the way here, a quick one, and then only it starts going up. I think it was here. Yeah, this was the area. Am I Indian? No, I'm not Indian. He's Indian.
Huh?
We are Malaysian. We are Malaysian.
Yeah, we are Malaysians. Anak Malaya.
Some people get confused. Like Indian means you come from India, is it? Okay, just to share with you guys, for those of you guys who are from overseas, Malaysia has 3 races, and all of them are born in Malaysia. So we call ourselves Malaysians. Okay. So in Malaysia, we have the Indian Malaysians who are born in Malaysia, Chinese Malaysians which are born in Malaysia, and Malayu Malaysians which are also definitely born in Malaysia, right? So
we have the Iban, the Kanazas.
Yeah, we also have other races. So it's like a mixed race country, right? We have 3 continents in our country, okay, in a small country. So we are from KL.
Kuala Lumpur, still Indian. Oh, is it?
Yeah, so we're Indian, Malaysian Indians, okay?
If you ask me what am I, I'm a mix of all. All right. So, yeah. So I wouldn't count myself as a Indian or a Chinese or a Malay because I have every blood in my family. So I don't even know where I belong. I can only say I'm a Malaysian, right?
Correct. That's the right word I want to use. We are a rojak country.
Yeah.
Hey, we don't have the Indian accent lah. Come on lah.
Come on
Come
lah,
on lah.
yo,
Hey.
hey. Come on lah.
Malaysian Tamil.
You
Yeah,
are not
Malaysian Tamil.
mixed, still Indian, huh? 我是华人的，我可以讲华语的。
Yeah, 可以，我可以讲华语啊。
我可以讲华语。
你不明白咩？我
什么意思？什么意思？我是华人的。So how Indians can like this? Please 啦！
哎呀，
哎呀，
气死呢！
哎呦，广东话都得Hokkien lang tampo lang 可以啦，can 啦，OK 啦，Mandarin, Hokkien, Cantonese, come on, bring it on.
Eddie, why you discovering our whereabouts so specifically? Feel scared to disclose our location. Hey, who use Google Translate on TikTok?
Lek korang lek, come on.
Bosan, chat sangat bosan, right? So usually, I think for the past few days, we are looking at the charts like hawks, okay? Hawks, and then our eyes get tired, right? So what happens is nowadays the market moves in one direction, either sideways consolidation or a straight up or a straight down throughout the day, all the way until US session, right? So at US session, there will be some news that comes out, and then there will be a spike up or down, whatever volatility comes in, and then by 12 o'clock, everything is done, right? So basically, towards year-end market, I think is not so attractive, right? The data doesn't matter too much. The Fed will be going into a holiday soon, okay? So they are not going to drastically increase the rates or cut the rates, okay? So year-end is probably going to be a mild tone movement in the markets, okay? There will be spikes up and down, but it will not be as interesting as how it is throughout the other quarters of the year. So we think that a lot of manipulative movements will happen. There will be less volume in the market. So there will be some weird spikes up and down. And
Tim, you also can speak Chinese, Tim. Can, right? I'm pretty sure you're mixed, right?
Tim Huaren, Tim. Tim Fernandez, yeah.
What is this? Mile like your profit. What?
Yeah, mine like my profit. My profit is so little that it's mild.
Yeah. We are 10 USD traders. So if you want 10 USD, you trade with us. If you want 20 USD, then you trade yourself, right? Trade your own, bro.
I think Paddy referring to it generally lah. Just call him. Oh, wife speak Chinese. Wife Chinese lah. Based on the previous data, yesterday we expected that. Okay, yesterday we did expect the price to spike up, but we only realized this towards the news. Okay, so if you guys are on YouTube, right, you can see that towards the news, the price did some form of bearish movement already. Okay, so it starts breaking the support levels and testing the lower support levels also, right? So we believe that there could be a chance that this is not going to go uptrend, right? So that's why it did a spike. So where will the spike happen? Usually above the resistance level where a lot of people would put their SL, right? So yesterday we thought like, you know what, this could be a manipulation. It could go all the way into 76 before going down. But what happened, it actually went into 75 and then it just went down from there. So on CPI, there was no bias like that because it's only one news, right? So when there's only one news, I think our bias will be quite clear. So it's either up or down. Okay, if it does spike both ways, then I don't know what to say. It is purely manipulative. Okay, So it did happen previously for CPI, but basically I think we got it right for CPI. It's just that yesterday, the NY manufacturing index screwed it up.
Where's the Lipton? Sherwin, Lipton no stock. Serious, serious, serious. I've been missing the Lipton as well. Yeah. I'll get it back. I'll get it back. Okay. Anywhere I can find it, I just buy it and drink it. That's my favorite. Team, yeah, but I mixed up like Roja. Also, our forefathers screwed every other nation. Yeah. Where was this? It's uptrend, wave three now. Oh, okay. Oh, the daily wave three. Okay, I saw that. Gold is dead. Buy BTC. Oh, okay. Oh, no Lipton. Murali, yeah, today water only, la Murali. Sorry, sorry.
But
How
if
to know? Sorry, what?
uh,
How to know if the news is bearish or bullish? You honestly, you will not know. You will not know. You can only get clues from the technicals or maybe some articles before the news. Honestly, you will not know the news is bearish or bullish. But as you trade news often, right? As you trade news, every news there is, you practice yourself to trade, right? You will eventually understand the behavior. You'll eventually get it right, actually. Okay, for news trades, when you have to combine technical, you have to combine a lot of readings for the day, what's going to happen on the day, because every day has news, right? So you don't read it the day before, read it on that day. What are the new articles saying, what is the current update, those kind of things, and the overview of it, all right? And that's how you practice yourself, and you'll eventually find out, okay, if unemployment claims, this is the behavior. If it's CPI, this is the behavior. The If it's interest rate hike, this is normally the behavior. So you'll start understanding the behavior of the charts throughout the pattern, all right? You'll look at the chart pattern, you'll be like, hey, the chart is doing this, okay, looks like it might be going down tonight. It's trying to collect as much as it can before it goes down. Okay, doesn't mean if it's an uptrend before news, it's gonna be shooting upwards for news. All right, that's what many people got wrong, and a lot of them were looking for buys yesterday. All right, they were thinking, okay, it's gonna shoot up, get ready guys, gold is gonna go to the moon. And we were advising our group and trying to get them to think why it may not go there, why it may not go towards the 80 just yet. Okay, so and thankfully our group got it right. Our group got it right, and it was a good day for yesterday's trade, right? And I think that's what you should do lah, as a news trader. Okay, any questions, Sherwin? I hope you got your answer. Yeah, you guys are sending gifts.
no lah.
Oh, gift a badge. Okay, okay, okay. Oh yeah, thanks for the gift.
What's a gifter badge? I don't know.
Yeah, we actually damn bad with TikTok and all these live things now. Okay, we're not even a streamer, guys.
I think like the more gifts you give, you knight the rank. Yeah.
Go up to the rank.
So
Okay,
like
okay.
top gifter. Something like that.
Yeah, guys. So sorry. We are just streaming for trading. Actually, we don't even stream for the daily living. Nothing like that. Our daily living is this exactly this here. The charts. This is our daily living. My suggestions is you try backtest previous USD news with this, with QM news.
No. I think like
The method is it.
no. I think like let's say today is jobless claims in Philadelphia. See what happened in the previous
Oh, okay,
jobless
okay, okay.
claims.
Nah, it doesn't work that way. I tried. Trust me, I tried. Trust me, we tried. we tried.
MACD settings. Oh, you're talking about MACD settings, right? I don't use MACD though.
We are now boycotting MACD, bro, in Malaysia. So we can't use MACD. MACD is big no.
8, 2, and 1. What do you mean 8, 2, and 1? I know there's 80, 20. The parameters. Right. Let me check. I need to off my ego. Later I'll check BKG 82 and 1. I'll remember that.
$930. Let's see. $930 unemployment claims. Then also have Fed bar speech today. What the heck is he gonna talk about? Philadelphia, Philly, with some filet. Fed master speech. Fed Williams speech. Fed bar speech. Fed Waller speech. All these guys gonna talk about, but what they ate or what? Okay, let's see.
So let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay. So in terms of visual projections, guys, I would love if the price can do this. All right. And then go up a little bit further. And then go down. Right. So
Wow.
yeah.
Some brilliant projection.
Yeah. So I hope this can happen later. Pray hard, guys. Okay. So if this doesn't happen and price continues going upwards like this, then we can just say screw gold and then say bye bye.
Yeah.
So there are two scenarios, guys. Okay. So it's either going to break and go up, or it's going to do this structure here and go down. So which
Yeah.
one do you think, guys? Which one do you think is the possible scenario? Is it A, or you all think it's B? What do you all think, guys? What do you all think? Is it
Yeah,
A or B?
guys. A or B? A or B? Which one? Which one? Will it hunt for the 80 or will it go down back to the 50s? Which do you guys think? Or will it go down but not to the 50s, like above 60 and then go up back again? Or will it go up 80, 70 plus, not even 80, go 70 plus, but then come down immediately? B, yeah? Okay. Looking for a rate upwards towards 80.
So
Understand,
identify
understand.
who are the buyers and who are the sellers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. How about you guys? A or B? Oh,
A,
you guys
we
can't
can't
see. A or B? Which one? Simply choose lah. A or B. Go up to 80s. Previous 3 months data. USD ain't that strong for the unemployment news. So spike up and then go down. Up and down. Okay. Alright. Got it, Eddie. Thanks. Thank you so much. Up and down. A is too obvious for the money market. Is that money market?
Mass market.
Mass market. Oh. A is too obvious, huh? Makes sense. So expecting a manipulative chart tonight. It could be a rate upwards lah, right? And then come down. Makes sense. Yep. Guys, this is how you should analyze. It's good to factor in the manipulation and see how big players will think like. They'll be like, oh, so the people are thinking this is QM. You know what? I'm going to break everything and then let the drop happen. Yes, that's very, very possible. Okay. It's a good way to think of it. Good way. Good job. So looking at the early projections, yes, obviously we are expecting a sell here because of the massive drop where the structure has already shifted. But let's see what can take place.
Okay, I'm going to erase this now. 84 to 87 is the destination. It'll be a beautiful destination.
84 to 87.
Yeah.
84 to 87.
Yeah.
Wow.
It'll be a really beautiful. Hey, thank you, Cat of Wall Street.
Yo, what's up? Get on Wall Street.
This is our mentor, guys. For those of you guys who are coming into our elite soon, you'll also get to know him.
Yep.
Right? Cukup lah Bang Cat.
Ada woo, Abang Cat. Ada woo. Godzilla is here.
Gorilla is here.
Gorilla. Godzilla is here. Godzilla. Godzilla is here for tonight, guys. You want to see Godzilla? Wait, lah, guys. Wait for 60 and below. Godzilla is here.
Okay, so I think Godzilla sounds good. You want Godzilla sound?
Go ahead. Yeah, Godzilla is here. Okay, so yeah, personally, yes, we are expecting a sell. If there is a manipulation, I think 70 area to 70 plus personally would be a good area. But again, this is my today's analysis for the charts for tonight. But I think I will only clearly see 5 minutes before the news. I will be able to see what's really happening because I always follow candlestick patterns for news, and obviously I can't be observing candlesticks patterns right now because it's not near news yet. So I don't know what is it showing yet. From what I see, it's a QM, it's a drop. That's what I see. It's obvious, lah, right? Okay. On a much larger time frame, you can go to daily, weekly, or something, right? You can see like as a small pattern forming, not small, sorry, a big reversal pattern forming upwards. All right. But I think a change of structure should be happening even for this big pattern. Okay, that's in the long run. All right, probably in a month to come, 2 months to come. But yes, I think it should be taking place.
Market sending is roti canai.
Roti canai. I think it will come down to 64 and then go up to 72, 75 area. Okay, 64. 64. 64.
Yeah,
Oh, there. Yeah. We actually expecting that to happen first if it wants to move up properly. Let the shoulder happen first, the drop happen first, and then moves up properly. In that case, if it moves up, it's valid. Because if the price is there right now, right, we will probably be having a different outlook on the charts right now for news.
Yeah.
But since the price is above, that's why our outlook is sell in general. Okay, we could go wrong, guys. Obviously, don't take our words 100% and think that hey, these guys have told it should be happening. They know better. No.
Yeah.
Trust your analysis. You are the one clicking the buy and sell. It's your deposit. It's your withdrawal. Okay, understand that that it's your analysis is gonna give you the profit or the loss. Okay, you have to accept it.
Yeah.
Right. 69, 65, 68, that's gone. okay, let's go. 65, 68, let's go.
That's gone.
65, 68.
Okay, guys, do you know anything? Any movie?
65.
Movie, I think that's this not about forex trading,
Well,
but
what movie?
there are movies like Margin Call,
Yeah, Margin Call and The Big Short.
The Big Short,
Margin Call, Big Short, and
Wolf of Wall Street.
Wolf of Wall Street is more towards real estate.
Yeah,
Towards real
okay,
estate.
stocks lah.
Stocks. Yeah.
But make sure you don't watch with your kids. Okay, watch alone.
Mm.
Yesterday news, I had a buy and close with a spike.
Congratulations.
Congrats,
Woo!
Naima, congrats.
Woohoo!
I hope you managed to close it on time.
Yeah, because it went down so fast.
One shot.
One
One shot can.
One shot, huh?
One shot also got.
One shot. Yeah, so the Big Shot, what was it again?
The Big Shot, Margin Call.
Margin Call, yeah. These two are really good. Big Shot and Margin Call is good. Nasima, is it? Yeah, yesterday Nasima we had a sell. In our group. We were discussing, and then I told them that hey guys, this massively could be a sell. I think it's going to be a spike up towards 76 maximum, and it's going to fly down back. So some of them took the trades, and good job, whoever took the trade, happy profiting. Okay.
Yep.
We were lucky yesterday. We got it right. We were lucky.
So yeah, we do have our elite group community where we actually guide them for their questions on trades, but we don't like specifically give them signals unless we feel that it's a season to give them signals, right? So we have our own education agenda with them, right? So we don't want to spoon feed them all the way. Slowly, as we see their progress, we will actually let them be more independent, right?
Yeah.
Because building a trader is not an easy task, right? So there's a lot of factors involved, apart from just knowledge. It's a mindset. It's yeah, a lot of things. So ultimately, to be in this trading industry, you have to be resilient to all
Yep.
these things that's gonna happen and affect you mentally.
Yep. Even when the floats or the loss, guys, just accept it. Just accept the journey and come out of it. All right, come out of it. No trader is exempted from this floating or loss or margin calls. No trader is going to escape this, guys. You can be a damn pro trader with SL and what nonsense whatsoever. Okay, can't accept. Aye, come on, come on. You have
Hi,
to
Zain.
accept. What's up, Zain?
Team say we get whipped into being independent.
We get whipped. Tim, you're doing damn good, lah. Now, okay, you're doing good. You're doing good. Okay, hope the Goldman is helping you. All right, good job, good job.
What's good, Zaim? Nothing's good right now.
Nothing's good. The chart is like this.
Market
Torturing,
is
man, torturing.
just slow for now.
Yeah.
Right? So we are just monitoring the market, and we know volatility is only going to come in at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
So it's like 1 hour 15 minutes from now. So till then, just enjoy the show.
Yeah.
Because only towards 9:30 you will get a clue of what the momentum is, who are stepping into the game.
Yeah, guys. This was the same yesterday. Yesterday, my goodness, the torture.
Good day to MC.
It's a good day to MC. That is FOMC, guys. Festival of Margin Call. Today is just unemployment rate. Relax. Unemployment claims. Is there a rate as well? Claims.
Claims.
Today is only claims side. Ooh,
Yeah.
shoo. Shunam. Some Shunam or what? Junam.
Okay, so yeah.
Alright. Oh, ow. Let's go, ow. Let's go. Let's gone. Ada, woo. Let's gone. Godzilla is here. Godzilla is here.
Fine for Abang Cat lah.
Can ah? Oh, that's the face. The one staring is now.
Sure. Sana.
Just now on the face. Down.
This one. But this one not PNG lah. This one also not lah. Just take this lah. Oh,
what a drop, man! Woo!
So that's Abang Cat zone, guys.
Yeah, so Abang Cat zone, guys.
He gave some live signals just now. Live signals.
See, guys, Abang Cat already gave 65, 68, so let's go.
Then we put fire.
Godzilla.
I'm just playing around. Don't know what to do with the market, guys.
Yeah, guys, market is, damn. Wait, let me take a photo of this.
Come on, guys.
Godzilla is here.
Oh, you all cannot see, right? So you have to see on my YouTube live.
Yeah.
I don't know. Abang can see. Yeah, just twist the camera for a while, lah.
Yeah.
Right. You can see the Godzilla here. It's Godzilla. Just back this.
Nice, Nice drop in M1. M1 is it?
M1, yeah. M5 this one.
M5. Nice drop. Come on, go towards 63. Go.
Naima, after so long you're answering A. Naima just saw the replay lah, I think.
Oh, okay, yeah, could be. Yeah, it's you're expecting
down,
A, yeah? Okay, expecting down. All right. Okay, Naima, let's see. Nasima, right? Or
Naima. She don't have the C.
Oh, okay, Naima. All right. Let's hope Naima goes down. Okay. Come on. How the Indians do this, right?
Okay, guys, for those of you who are on TikTok, you know what we are doing, right? So right now we are looking at the charts on
Yeah.
our screen.
Here on YouTube Live.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to see the chart, you can.
Something like this.
Yeah.
You can check the Godzillas.
Yeah. If you guys want to see the chart, okay, you just turn the view right. No, the camera as in like flip. No.
Oh, can code. I don't know.
Yeah. So join our YouTube Live if you want to see the charts. We can't show the charts here, so sorry, guys.
Yeah, so the charts are in. The charts are in YouTube. So you have to go to our Telegram channel, follow our channel there. You're not going to get signals there. Don't worry. Okay. But if you are looking for a proper mapping, some form of education over time, next year there's a lot of plans. Our free webinars will be coming up soon. So if you guys are interested in learning all that, then just go to the Telegram channel and click join the group. Okay,
Yep. We will be opening up for the next elite batch soon. We have a little bit more things just to guide them with, and they should be fine so far. There are quite a number who are really fast learners in the previous batch, and there are some who takes their time, but we are okay with both. No problem. We took our time as well, so we understand that. 65 last support, and then we go to 63. All right, Gabo, let's go.
So let's guys, I think whoever or whatever you are doing in the market today, for the sells, your maximum pain level is 1976.
Yep.
Right. That's
We're
your
just
maximum.
here to guide you guys and inform you, because we can't do so much here, and the news is 9:30 and we can't be live that long as well.
Yeah, so it might even just drop all the way from here. Okay.
Yeah.
So sometimes price is ruthless. Like everybody will waiting for 70 and all those imbalances to be filled. But if the pressure is strong enough, it will not come there. It will straight away go down.
Correct.
So sometimes those kind of events in the market happen because most traders already know that there is a better sell. Okay. So things like that can happen. So sellers start pushing it early, creating an order block from here itself, and then they'll start pushing the market down.
Yep.
Right. So
hi Sri, what's up? How come you don't come on live anymore? Yeah, because TikTok wants to ban us. Actually, we are live, right now, and we have been since the last week.
Yeah.
And because of Deepavali, of course, we stopped like 3 days for a while. And yes, currently we are looking at the chart here in YouTube. So the link of the YouTube is in our public Telegram, which is also in our TikTok bio. Nice to put the name to the face, like above here, is it?
How to put the name to the face?
Can we do that?
I don't know.
Thanks for the gifts, Shinams or what?
Come on, Godzilla.
Yeah. Today goal, interestingly is playing around. Torture. Even yesterday was a torture. Oh my god.
That chart looks nice like this.
Godzilla.
It's forming the same pattern yesterday before news, correct?
The HNS plus trending break to below. Yep.
Probably.
So if you observe that a same pattern is forming, like yesterday, right? Then also expect a spike up to happen to manipulate the pattern and then go down. Okay, if you think this is similar, expect also the similar result. All right, don't expect a one way if you see these kind of things happening. But if it's going down, breaking down now immediately and going down and stuff, and then you think that hey, it could react at the demand here and it could turn to a buy, then yes, all right. So always look out for that. Do your analysis properly. Don't over analyze and get confused, but just keep your analysis simple and follow it. All right. Enjoy watching your live trades. Thank you, HL. What does war do to trading? War will not just do anything to gold alone. It does for everything. Okay. So when war comes, right, um, some economies crumble and some commodities, assets, raw materials go up. All right, because the money will go into the place where the investors think it's safe and it's not affected by the war. All right, so that's where they will go into. All right, so for example, the dollar, US dollar, okay, it has good yields, good interest for the investors. So it'll go into there. And then it'll go into gold. And then it'll go into silver, platinum, and all those things. All right. So it'll go into these things where it can appreciate because it's raw material from Earth. All right. USD is definitely not a raw material from Earth. It's from the printer that they are still left on right now. So I think that's about it. Lah. Yeah, that's what war can do. War will not respect any technicals, guys. So forget about temporarily using technical until the spike slows down. Okay. Once the spike slows down, it's stopping there. Okay, then you can try. All right. I think for today, that's all we can see, guys. We already told you guys is the QM, the H1, H4. That's what we can see. What else? I don't look at go daily. Okay, daily is a rejection, guys. You take the Godzilla out. Okay, we can see daily. I look at daily, guys. Daily is a rejection, and the QM shoulder is rejecting. So we don't know exactly where is this rejection going to end, or is the candle going to end up back in the QM shoulder? We don't know. But so far, we can see a rejection is happening. Okay, and you can see a rally-based rally in the daily time frame. Okay, so many possibilities. So even in our elite group, right? Even today, I told them, guys, it's actually a both possible, both direction possibility. Okay, it's showing a QM buy, it's showing a QM sell. All right, it's showing both. So this is where, as traders, we are going to be really tested on how sharp our eyes can be to catch the real movement or the first movement. Okay, because buy and sell could be right, but if you manage to catch the first movement, then you get the profit. Okay, because maybe you are aiming for sell, you see a sell clearly, but it does a buy first, it washes you out, and then it goes with the sell.
Yeah.
So it doesn't mean you're wrong. It's just that you either fell for the manipulation or you couldn't see the buy first. You couldn't see it. Okay, which understandable. Okay, because many people are not able to see it. All right.
So if it does go down, I believe it will break the 55 support and clear the imbalances on the daily
That's
side
right.
also, right?
Yeah.
So that's all the way until 49.
Yeah.
Below that is the support levels, 47, right?
Are you guys in a trade? Not as of now.
I'm waiting for news closer to news time.
Yeah.
Right? So I'll see the price action.
Yeah.
Then we will take our trades. Okay.
We are trying to get an accurate picture and then trade news.
Yeah. So this could be it. This could be the zone, right, to go down. But we still have about 1 hour 30 minutes to go, right?
Yeah.
So anything can happen within that 1 hour 30 minutes.
Yep.
So it could be sideways, and then a short spike up, maybe, or it starts becoming bearish suddenly, and then boom. So anything could happen, right? So for me personally, guys, I will try to take a sell trade, but I will stick to my maximum pain level, right, which is 1976. Yes, it is far away, so I'll maintain my risk scenario or risk management, and I will focus on this structure until it fails, right? So for me, a failure of this structure means closing above 76, and yeah, that is a failure. So I would directly go to my next setup and wait for confirmation above here, right? Depending on what news. But if none of that happens, I think this entire area will be the focus for the sell, and it might go down. Like I said, the reason I am biased towards sell is not because this structure alone, right? It's not because of the QM structure alone, right? Always see slightly into the future, right? And what has happened in the past. So what has happened in the past, of course, is it actually grabbed some liquidity yesterday, right, and closed bearish from there, and also creating a strong bearish candle, right? So what's happening right now, it's just doing some rebalancing on H4 time frame. It has already filled up the imbalances, so it doesn't necessarily need to fill up the imbalances on the lower time frame, right? Plus, because there are imbalances down here to be cleared, right? The early imbalance, I mean, not the previous one, that's too low, right? But there are still some imbalances here that can be collected if gold really wants to go up, right? So that will be attractive for the buyers, right? So this could actually go down all the way. Plus, there is government shutdown that is happening soon. That may not happen, but investors will take cautious stance as usual. So once the news is out today, I think, let's say it comes out as expected. There's not much changes. They will still be bearish on the structure to collect the imbalance down there, then to go up, right? So that is why there's more bias towards sell. GJ is looking very attractive to sell actually. Okay, but the price is extremely bullish on a higher time frame. Okay, so if you want to look at GJ, you got to wait for a proper confirmation, right? Because the zone, it can collect liquidity above 187, 188, all the way until 194. It's too big, right? So what you can do is wait for a proper confirmation on a smaller time frame, and then you look for yourselves. Okay, right now it is still possible to look for a sell, okay, because it did sort of a double top on M15 time frame. But if you look at the trend line, it has not broken the trend line yet. Okay, so nothing much on GJ in terms of confirmation, guys. Okay,
Will you be live during news? No, we won't be. We won't be. We'll be out. We'll be out really soon. Actually, we are just here to show you guys how do we see the news tonight. What do we see, and what we think that could be happening. Right. Just so that for those of you who maybe have a difficulty to find out, hey, where is news going? I want to trade news. I have a war account to trade news, but I'm not sure where is it going. So yeah, that's about it. Um, Bro can sell from 74.78 fresh zone. SSR full H1 supply. Possible Goldman at 74.78. Wait, team, let us check. What's up, Prince? Yo. 74.78.
I need to censor all these words. This level.
Broke. Okay, so that's what you see lah. This one 74 to 78.
Here lah, correct lah.
Fresh zone.
Can for reaction lah, team. But once it breaks upwards against this structure, it actually already
collected.
collected.
Yeah, it collected.
Yeah. So you see, this was a Goldman, so it's done already. So,
yeah.
So don't expect it to stay there and collect again lah.
Team, Goldman gave you 200 pips. Congratulations, team. Woohoo! Didn't sell, right? Team was what? Putting your kid to sleep, right?
Too late lah.
No. Kid took out 200 pips from you, team. Tonight you tell him go sleep yourself.
The next reaction is probably here lah, team.
Lipton tea time, yeah.
Here lah. If it goes up lah, right? It's going to react to 78 to 80 first, and then from there only it go up.
Okay.
Lipton tea time. Lipton tea time is at 9:30, but we do not have Lipton.
Many accounts got blown off on Monday morning. Oh, really? Damn.
If you were holding lah, if you were holding your your sells
Monday morning.
or buys with SL? The Monday morning, the spike labs.
Oh, that 1919 spike. My goodness, yeah. I think the got it. Okay, I think yeah, I think the brokers unanimously woke up and thought, hey, let's make fast money this morning. Gone.
The brokers was like, we got no time for the collection of demand. Let's do this.
Yeah, let's collect the demand ourselves.
Okay, guys. So do you all have any other questions? I think if not, we have to go for our dinner. Makeup.
No, just this brush. What?
It's the keyboard brush.
Keyboard brush. Yeah.
Actually, Dylan wears mascara. You see,
Yeah.
guys. See closer. All right. Okay, guys. So if you do not have any questions, then we can only say all the best.
Yeah, guys.
Don't
All
forget
right.
the Godzilla. Right, this entire area is Godzilla.
Have apple shushu. Apple susu, is it? Okay, bye, cha, bye.
All right. So all the best with your sales, guys. Remember, anything can happen in the market. We only will know towards the data time, right?
Yeah, elites, get ready, elites. If I see something,
Yeah.
I'll go after you.
Yeah. All right. So all the best for everybody. See you guys soon.
Walaikum salam, Abu. Bye.
Take care, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to follow our Telegram. Just to update you guys, the webinar is coming up end of the month, okay, which is probably next week, next weekend. So stay tuned on the Telegram channel. We will update when is the next free webinar and intake for our elite community.
Yep.
Right?
Guys, just join our public channel, right? Every update is there, right? Okay. So bye, guys. Bye. Love you all. Mwah. Sarang hayo.
Sarang hayo. Okay. Bye bye.
That's hello, right?
Okay. Bye bye.
Excited? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we got some additional things to teach as well. That it will be a mix of a little bit of similar of what it was last time and some new things. Okay, so we will do that. All right. Some chinam again or what?
Okay, guys. So that's the end of our YouTube stream for today. All the best for your trades again. Take care of your money management and be careful towards year end. All right, that's the most important thing. So take care, guys. Bye.
Bye, team. Bye, Sherwin. Bye, Peter. Bye, Naima. Gabu. Bye.